best way I enjoy describing driving a race car when people ask me about it is the fact that it is pretty violent. I remember early on when I first started racing, everyone told me I needed to get race wheels, and I did. And not too long after that, I broke a spoke on a race wheel, which was really hard for me to understand. The performance of cars and the level of forces that are on those wheels today are just drastically different. It is every little bit of performance has to go through that wheel. And first and foremost, you have to have a wheel that's incredibly strong.
Attention to detail, attention to engineering, attention to the optimization of wheels, but not going overboard, working with the right people, doing FEAs. I've been nothing but impressed, taking what I believe is a superior product and making an end product that is more superior is a comfort.
The lighter you can make a wheel, the faster you can accelerate. And there is an art form to making a wheel that is both strong and light.
I've driven some other competitors' wheels, and you can just kind of feel that they don't have the same stiffness as what they should have. And you wouldn't think you'd be able to pick that up, but you can. And you can pick it up really quick.
The wheel, the road wheel, is an important component of the overall behavior and characteristics of a car. And that any car, especially a performance car, is going to be better with a Finspeed forged, ultra lightweight, ultra high strength wheel.